Children's diseases, children's health is talked about as being a pharmaceutical orphan. Well, what that means is there's no money in childhood disease. If you were a company, if you're a pharmaceutical company, you're not going to spend a lot of money developing strategies for dealing with childhood disease. You'd go broke. Your shareholders would fire you.
For us, that means about one child every 2 weeks dying each year, and it's very, very difficult. You would love to be able to offer a future child some new opportunity.
Really, the way forward is to stop this disease as quickly as we possibly can. Look, we'll probably put a number of charities out of business somewhere down the line, and it's my objective to go home one day and tell my family that I'm out of a job because we've solved the problems.
What we need to continue to support and encourage is the major research children's hospitals of the world. And there are a handful of major children's hospitals that drive improvements in child health care, and we're one of them.
Government grants don't fund cutting-edge, out there, high-risk procedures or activities, and that can only come by nurturing the imagination of researchers, by making sure that young people come through. I fully expect that, in fact I'm aware that over the decades the breakthroughs have often come from very young people, people that you think don't have the experience because they had the imagination.
We are so excited about the next 5 years. It gives us direction, it gives our supporters direction, and apart from that, it allows us to envelope a lot of other people into the family, so to speak, and work towards a common goal.
Thank you.
We've formed an alliance with the Sydney Swans recently, and we're partnering them in their community program, which is called the Team Swans Community Program, and we see this as an ideal opportunity for us to gain further exposure in the marketplace, to also seek further credibility by aligning ourselves with a very strong sporting brand, probably the strongest sporting brand in Australia.
You're putting your child's life in their hands.
Yeah. Sometimes you got to put your views aside and listen to what they say, because they're the experts, not us.
These people are going through something that they could not possibly imagine. They're being asked to jump on an incredible learning curve, and I think that having a child diagnosed with cancer would blow everything out of the water. And so essentially we're first of all dealing with people in shock, and then they're jumping on an incredible learning curve. And I often say, go away and have a cry, but when you come back, be ready to fight. Because we're really asking those parents to support the child too.
If we didn't have OCF at present, we would not be able to have the OAU in its current form. We would have a very small research program.
And the reality is, without OCF, couldn't have thought in the same, I mean, it changes your thinking. OCF gave me the opportunity to say, you know, we can really do this. We can go the next step that is so difficult for most researchers to achieve.
It's an important thing to let people know that we can't do it on our own. We need their help and we need their support, and together we can make a difference, and together we can solve the problems of childhood cancer and give these kids what we say is provide them with the best gift of all, and that's the gift of life.